Welcome, thank you for joining me for our one weight yoga balance workout today. So we'll be using the weight for a challenge for your upper body, and we'll be also working on ankle and foot strength and balance all combined together. So I really hope you enjoy the workout. Please start with feet together. Find your center of balance. Bend the knees slightly, take a deep breath in, reach up for the sky. As you exhale, bring your hands to your thighs, lean forward, push the middle of the back away and release. Stay here, push the middle of the back away and release. And I want you to feel that you're achieving as much movement around your lower back as you can. Twice more. One more time as we roll all the way up through the spine. Take a deep breath in, reach up for the sky. As you come down, you're coming down a little bit deeper now, coming down to the shin into a flat back extend. You can stay as you are, or you can come down a little bit deeper and let the head relax. And we hold. And we deep breathe. Each breath just a little bit deeper. Bend the knees, reach up for the sky, and then we hold here. I'm going to take the feet to hip width. I let the head follow the arm as we reach. And we go for 4, 3, 2, and a 1. And then we bring the arms all the way back down. So from here, reaching for the weight, we're going to bring feet together. And then from here, I'm going to bring one hand to the heart. And I'm going to tap out to the side and back. Now as I do, I'm going to take the arm forward and back. So strength into the shoulder, into the arm. Definitely challenging balance. And if you're anything like me, challenging brain as well. So we just tap out to the side as that arm goes forward. And we go for 4, 3, 2 more to go. 2, and the last one. Well done. So keeping that weight by your side, you're going to just circle just above the floor. Harder the knee comes up, we circle this way, away from the midline of the body. And then we come to a pause. So I'm going to bring hand to heart, shoulders back. And then right here, I'm going to tap away and back, away and back. And then I extend that arm to the front and back. All the while keeping the body as stable as possible. And we go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then from here I'm just going to circle that knee out away from the midline of the body. All the while trying to keep the body as still as possible. 2 more. Last one. Well done. So now I'm going to bring the weight in front, feet together. And again, just find that center of balance, tummy drawn in, and a breath out on the turn, breath in on the way back. So I do 2 to one side and 2 to the other. Keep going for me. So you can stay with that, or now I'm going to weight bear into my left leg. I'm just going to the right side all the time with this version. Then my harder version, I lift. the abs drawn in a little. And we go for 4. Oopsie daisy. 3. 2 more. 2. And 1. And then we change. So stabilize first. Right now I have a head cold, and it's amazing. My ears feel a little bit blocked. It's amazing how much it really does affect your balance. We go for 4, 3, 2, and the 1. Great work. So now from here, I'm going to take the foot out, take the arm overhead and out on a slight angle, and have the weight here. And then from here I'm going to tilt over to the side, and then back. So I tilt over and back, working into the hips, working into the core. And also, if you look very closely, you can see how much my support foot and ankle are having to work to stabilize. So for me, personal share, I have hypermobility, which means that my ankles tend to be a little bit unstable. So this kind of work is always going to be a challenge for somebody like me, but what it does do is it creates great strength through my feet and my ankles. So even though I have that condition, it's never really an issue. Oops, and the last one. Same again. So I take that foot out, take the arm out, we go over and back. Four more to go. So we go for 4, 3, last 2, and 1, and release. Well done. So from here, you're going to bring feet together, shoulders back, and then we're going to take a breath out as we push, breath in on the return. Now option 1 is to stay with that, just with the feet together. That's already going to challenge your balance a little. Option 2, you bring the foot up to the shin, you can turn out, or you can come up higher, coming into tree pose. And then with the weight, we push and release, and you're looking to find a focal point for your eye line, for your gaze. So it's a breath out as you push, breath in on the return. Ooh. That was almost a timber moment, wasn't it? 4 more. So we go for 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then we change. I hope you're finding this as challenging as I am today. So bring foot up, come all the way, you can turn out, or you can bring that foot up to the thigh. Once you've found your balance position, we take that push and release. And again. Let's go for 4, 3, 3, 2, and 1. Great work, and release. So this next move, I'm going to take the foot behind me. I lean forward slightly. What I'm aiming to do throughout this whole movement is to keep a strong diagonal line between head, shoulder, hip and foot. So I'm not hinging from the hips. Keep a really lengthened line. And then from here, I take that out and back. So there's your option 1. And option 2, I take the leg out behind me. Now that's a lot of load through the back, so you can decide which option works for you. So breath out, breath in on the return. I'll stay on a slight angle actually. Excuse me. Oops, so from here, whoops, we extend and back. I'm not having a good balance day at all, am I today? If you're doing better, can we swap places? 2 more. And last one. And then we change sides. So exactly the same thing again, opposite side. So that breath out, breath in on the return. And again. How you doing with that? Try and straighten the leg more. I noticed when I did that, my leg wasn't very straight. So that would be my aim, to just do that with the leg much straighter. 1 more to go. Oops. And back. So last move, from here you can just bring the heel up, or you can take hold of the foot. And I take the hand out in front, and I bring that elbow out and back, out and back. And we go for 4, 3, 2 more to go. 2, and the last one. And then we change. So again, find that center of balance. And we lift and lower. Breath out on the lift, breath in on the return. And again. So I go for 4, 3, oops, 2, and the 1. That weight goes to one side. I take the arms all the way out, tuck the chin and push away. And then we take the hands back and open out through the chest. Take a deep breath in and breath out. 1 time more, deep breath in and breath out. I would like to thank you so very much for joining me for our yoga one weight balance challenge. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did.